What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This is the My Weekly Tech Pickups, a series. This is from February 17th through the 24th. This is everything that came in that week from Sunday to Sunday. So let's go ahead and jump right in and take a look at what we've got. So some of this stuff will have a feature video in the future and some of it will not. But some of this is actually coming in for a series that you're going to want to stick around for. That is a security-based one. So if you're into like cybersecurity, personal privacy, identity, and identity theft prevention, that video series will be for you. So let's go ahead and jump right in. And that was a good segue because I've got a premium MacBook Pro Touch Bar privacy screen from Acme, I don't know, something like that, Office Products. So this will be included in the series for personal privacy and protection, but this they've got a lot of different screens, not just for MacBook Pros, but we're going to install this, and then this is definitely one of the preventative steps on protecting your privacy, especially out in public. As you can see here, it's easy installation, keep information private, lifetime guarantee. So basically hides what's on your screen except for you right in front of it. So definitely a cool item. Also, another good segue into that, Silent Pocket, a partner in the series, send us some goods to go over, and I'm looking forward to that. Silent Pocket, basically, you would store your phone like in this, and their technology basically goes off-grid. Nothing is going to penetrate your phone when it's in here, and I've tested this. So much so that the phone wants a code for Face ID to work again after I take it out of this. So everything is blocked. Cellular, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, everything is blocked when you put it in this thing here. So nothing is going to, NFC is another item. It basically blocks about anything that's going to be able to be scanned or pried out of your phone when it's out in the public. So definitely a cool item from Silent Pocket. Also in their line, we've got a wallet. They've got quality products because like they're leather goods, and they're secure. So we've got a wallet that we'll go over, probably RFID blocking for credit cards, and then we've got their laptop sleeve, which again, pretty much, and this is I believe a 15-inch laptop sleeve. You're going to put your laptop in here when you travel or when you're out in public. Soft lining, but very, very protective. And everything that I've mentioned in the little pocket here will be protected in this laptop sleeve. So no one's going to be able to get any of your data off your tablets, laptops, whatever, when it's in this stuff. You're basically off grid. Okay? So pretty cool from Silent Pocket. Let's go ahead and go back to the back. So we've got a Nightcore Topup, T-U-P. This guy is amazing if you're going to add it to your EDC. This thing will go up to 1,000 lumens, and it does, and it's very, very bright. And for the size of this guy, look at that. You can clip it on a hat, so you can use it for like a headlamp. It's got a little key loop, so you can put it on your keychain or whatever. And basically you're just going to turn it on, and it's going to say I'm at the 200 lumens, and then you can change it to different brightnesses. That's back to 200 lumens, and then we can hold it for 1,000 lumens. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's bright. So anywhere from 1 to 1,000 lumens with this guy. And we'll probably do a separate video on this because this thing is just amazing. Built-in 1200 milliamp lithium-ion battery for a runtime up to 70 hours. Dual side switches, control 5 brightness levels, and built-in charging for micro USB. Just a ton of stuff with the Topup from Nightcore. Definitely worthwhile checking that out. And I'll show you the different 5 brightness levels and how much the 1,000 lumens, the power in your hand, will illuminate. It's amazing. Next up, from East Brooklyn Labs, a AirPod charge case. So we're going to look at their, and this is wireless, so we're going to take a look at East Brooklyn Labs, and also from Gaze Labs. They have their own wireless charging cases, and we've got several of them here in different colors: purple, gray, green, pink. So we've got them all covered for many different colors. And we'll check out how those work, but those are wireless charging. So you put your AirPods in these wireless charging cases and you lay it on a wireless charging pad, and voila! What Apple maybe is probably going to introduce into the next gen AirPods. Okay? The Bellroy Pencil Case Plus. This thing is awesome. I got this to control some of my loose tech, like my cables and stuff. Leather, super high quality. And just, if you know Bellroy, look at the zipper. This thing is just amazing. It's got a little leather pull tab. And this is going in my everyday carry to organize all my cables and stuff loosely. RAV Power. So they sent a wireless charging station. And basically this is a stand that you're going to be able to Qi charge quickly your wireless phone, basically. I don't think a tablet's going to fit on this. Of course, we haven't reviewed this yet. This is the white. They have it available in black too, I believe. This is the Hyper Air. So basically, you know, it's got a nice little rubber spot here. You set your phone there. This will be plugged in via micro USB. I wished it was Type-C. And then this will sit on your desk, and you can have your phone wirelessly charging. So we'll probably look at that as well. While we're on the topic of charging, we've got two other charging items. We have, again, from Gaze Labs, and this looks pretty darn kick-ass, okay? This is a wireless charging mouse pad that is made of leather. So it's going to class up your setup, but you can set your phone here while you're using your mouse, and it's charging your phone. And this is black, gray, brown, midnight blue, different colors. This, of course, is the black edition from Gaze Labs. Look forward to checking that out in my setup. High quality, nice sized mouse pad with wireless charging built in. Pretty cool. And then still in the line of charging, Mophie released their Juice Pack Access for the iPhone XS and X. And they also have a couple others. Lightning port access, and then wireless input and output for this, and gives your iPhone X and XS an additional 25 hours of battery with wireless built in. So definitely a nice item from Mophie, as you can see here. If you're not familiar with Mophie, you should be. They're one of the leading charging companies out there, and the access for your iPhone, basically you can see it just installs, and you can charge your case, then your phone. It should actually, when you're charging it, charge your phone, then your case, but that's the way it should work. And we'll probably have a feature video on this as well going forward to check out the new Mophie Juice Pack Access. Anyway, guys, that is all the goods that have come in through the 24th of February. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Show notes will have links to all this stuff, so you can go check it out even more, purchase it if you want, or wait for the video to come out, because I should have feature videos on a lot of this stuff. Again, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the show, and as always, guys, thanks for watching, and have a good one.